What if I told you that the app you trust with your life savings might be making money off of you, not for you? Because behind the flashy UI, the zero commission promises, and the viral TikTok saying just buy Tesla, bro, is a war between trading apps, a war for your money, your attention, and your data. Today we go beyond the surface, not just which app looks cool, but which app actually helps you win. Let's dive into the world of the best stock trading apps and expose the truth no one talks about. Robinhood, the app that made trading look like a mobile game. Bright colors, instant deposits, free stock when you sign up. Basically the Tinder of finance. Swipe, buy, repeat. In 2020, Robinhood onboarded millions of new traders. For many, it was their first step into Wall Street. But here's the catch. Zero commission doesn't mean zero profit. For them, Robinhood sells your orders to market makers. It's called payment for order flow. Or as I like to call it, Wall Street's Uber Eats tip jar. You get fast trades. They get paid on the back end. Is that a problem? Maybe, but it's legal. And if you're a beginner who just wants simplicity, Robinhood still isn't the worst place to start. Just read the fine print, because when trades are free, you might be the product. You like trading? You want friends? Let's make a social trading app. Enter eToro, a platform where you can copy the trades of people who are way smarter than you, or at least have cooler profile pictures. On eToro, you don't just buy stocks. You follow traders, copy portfolios, watch your favorite guru tank his positions in real time. It's like Instagram, if Instagram came with regret and tax implications. But to be fair, eToro does make investing feel less lonely. And for international users, it opens the door to US markets in a way few apps do. It's not perfect. Fees can sneak up, and the interface feels like a video game from 2013. But if you're a beginner who learns by watching, this might be your playground. Now let's talk Shuri. Webull, the app with so many charts, indicators, and buttons, you'll wonder if you accidentally downloaded NASA's software. Webull is what happens when someone says, let's make Robinhood, but for people who don't need training wheels. Advanced analytics, technical tools, real-time data, all free. But here's the warning. It can overwhelm beginners faster than a Reddit thread on options trading. Still, if you're serious about leveling up and want power at your fingertips, Webull might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Just don't blame me if you spend more time customizing your charts than actually trading. Fidelity isn't new. In fact, it's been around since your grandpa was trading IBM with a rotary phone. But don't sleep on this OG, because today, Fidelity offers zero commission trading, an insane variety of research tools, and some of the most trusted customer service in the game. It's like the Toyota Camry of stock trading. Not flashy, but it just works. And for long-term investors, it might be the most underrated app on this list. No gimmicks, no distractions, just investing the way it should be. So, which one is the best? That's like asking which pizza is best. It depends. Are you a broke college student or a Michelin chef? If you're just starting and want simplicity, Robinhood might feel like home. If you want to follow the cool kids, eToro's social features are unmatched. If you love charts more than people, Webull will keep you up all night. If you want safety, trust, and long-term growth, Fidelity is your go-to. There's no one-size-fits-all, but there is one thing you should always look for: transparency. Because in a world full of free trades, it's never really free. And the best trading app is the one that helps you win, not just them. At the end of the day, an app is just a tool. The real asset is you, your knowledge, your mindset, your strategy. Don't just download a trading app, download patience, install discipline, update your financial literacy, and maybe, just maybe, you won't need to ask which app is best, because the best trader doesn't rely on an app, they rely on themselves.